Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Fiat 500 brake light. First, gather your tools, a T25 torque screwdriver and a new 12-volt, 21-watt bulb. Make sure your car is off and the parking brake is on for safety. This easy method will save you time and money, taking only about 10 minutes. You'll be back on the road with working brake lights in no time, ensuring your safety and compliance. Now open your Fiat 500 tailgate. You'll see two T25 torque screws on the inside edge of the tail light unit. Use your T25 screwdriver to carefully loosen and remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back towards you. It should slide out without much force, revealing the bulb housing. With the tail light assembly removed, locate the brake light bulb holder. It's usually the larger one. Twist this holder counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the assembly. Now, gently press down on the old 12-volt, 21-watt bulb and twist it counterclockwise to release it. Insert your new bulb, pressing down and twisting clockwise until it locks securely into place. It's a simple push and turn. Finally, reinsert the bulb holder back into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it. Carefully slide the entire tail light assembly back into its original position on your Fiat 500. Ensure it sits flush against the body. Then, reinsert and tighten the two T25 torque screws. Don't over-tighten them, just snug. Test your new brake light to confirm it's working correctly. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.